All right, today I'm gonna show you how to make ramen noodles with hot dog meat on a George Foreman grill. All right, the first thing you're gonna need is ramen noodles. You're gonna need some hot dog meat. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I just turned the grill on. I'm gonna place the hot dog meat on the grill right there, and then I'm gonna open up the ramen noodles. And place the ramen noodles in the ramen noodle bowl right here. And then I'm gonna add water to the line. And I'm gonna cook the ramen noodles for 3 minutes in the microwave. And while this is in the microwave, I'm gonna close the top of the George Foreman grill. All right. After 3 minutes in the microwave, the ramen noodles should be al dente. You're gonna take them, place them to the side, and lift up the George Foreman grill, where the hot dog meat should have been cooking. All right, you see how it has, let me zoom in so you can see the grill marks on the hot dog meat. All right, perfect, all right. And so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take the ramen noodles, let me zoom out a little bit, and then place the ramen noodles on top of the hot dog meat, or above the hot dog meat. Just like that. All right. And they're gonna simmer and crackle. And I'm gonna take the seasoning and then place the seasoning on top just like that. And then once on top, I'm just gonna take my fork and mixerate them a little bit like this. And then pour some of the ramen noodle juice on top. Mixerate them a little bit. And then close it down for a good 20 seconds. Or maybe 10 seconds. It depends. All right, and so this is like simmering. I'm gonna take this right here and I'm gonna pour out that juice. And after about 20 seconds, I'm gonna go ahead and raise it up again to see how it's cooking. Perfect. All right. Then I'm gonna take ramen noodles, place it into the bowl like this, and then take the hot dog meat, place it in there. Like, doesn't it look good, you guys? Absolute goodness. All right, I'm gonna take the rest of the ramen noodles and place that right there. And look at the burn marks, the sear marks on the hot dog meat. And that's how you make ramen noodles on a George Foreman grill. Let me know if you have any questions.